Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I have a challenge and I'm going to try to get these clothes in this basket folded, and I'm going to set my stopwatch on my phone to see how long it takes me to do it. It took me 5 minutes and 42 seconds to fold the clothes and my baskets. I just need to throw away the dryer sheets. But not bad. I got all that done in 5 minutes and 42 seconds. So here I was procrastinating on how long it would take me to do, and it didn't take me but 5 minutes. So I challenge you to do something today and time yourself and see how long it takes you to do it. Y'all come back now. You hear?